This video is going to be all about the top 5 niches of the week, including the latest designs. So if that's something you're interested in, keep watching till the end. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. As usual, on Mondays, top 5 niches of the week. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. And we're also going to be looking at deleted designs and the top niches to follow. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So I'm going to first of all begin with the top 5 niches followed by the deleted design. So the first top niche to focus on is MLK Day. This is in January, and although the designs are few because MLK is trademarked. So if you want to make any design related to MLK, don't include the word MLK or Martin Luther King, anything related to MLK and the name Martin Luther King Jr. So you have to be creative in order to make a design that people are gonna buy, and you're not gonna write the word or include the name MLK in it because it's trademarked. So that was niche number 1. Niche number 2 is Year of the Tiger, Chinese New Year Day. It is actually, by the way guys, I'm using Merch Informer for these niches. I like to alternate between Flying Research and Merch Informer. I've been doing research in the past with Flying Research. I just wanted to change things up a little bit and use Merch Informer for the niches today, so that's what I'm using. If you're interested, link is in the description below, and you can use the code Make Money Online or lowercase letters for 20% discount. And while talking about links in the description, there's also the link to our giveaway. It's going to be done in about 2 days time, so if you want to enter it, you can do that before the giveaway ends. So talking about Chinese New Year Day, these are the top shirts. And how I did the search is just by going to, when I enter my dashboard, landing on my dashboard, I went to Merch Hunter, then went to the keywords and put in Chinese New Year, then just came down right here and click search. If you're looking for deleted designs, you change this to not so much. Not so much means with deleted designs. Everything else I just leave it in place, except you want to change the marketplace, then you can change it, but I just leave everything in place. So we had the top designs for Chinese New Year's in the US market. The first thing that you notice, and that I notice, is that the design that is the biggest or bold is the one that takes more of the sales. And I also notice that the design that has a year in it, like this one right here, says 2022, is the one that has more of the sales. So let's scroll down and see if that is true. Just like I was expecting, this one has 42 sales, this one has 27, and this one has 27. So this one is making more sales. Why do you think this one is making more sales? My guess is that it has a very huge year on it, because there are some people who are of the opinion that you shouldn't include years in your design because it's only going to be valid for that year. But I'm of the opinion that you should include years, because even if it's going to be valid only for that year, it is going to bring in a lot of sales as opposed to just making a generic design. So that's it for the New Year's or Chinese New Year's Day. Here are the other designs that have tigers in them because it's the year of the tiger. So just give you a quick scroll. Number 3 is Valentine's Day, one of the biggest niches in February. And this V is for Valentine, has been ranking throughout the years. This particular one right here, this one and this one have been ranking. I've been seeing them over the years. And why do you think that is? The designs are big and bold, like I said, and they are funny. So this one says I still hearts, a dino saying I still hearts. Then this one says V is for video games instead of V is for Valentine. That's funny. Video game lovers and Dino Lover. So it's a funny design mixed with the Valentine's Day niche. So no reviews available for this. This is strange. Is this a new shirt? I know it's not a new shirt. I've been seeing this, except someone just screenshotted it and re-uploaded it, because I've been seeing this design over and over again. I'm not sure why this is saying this is a new shirt. Anyway, let me click this and see what it brings. So it took, there you go. So maybe it was just a glitch or something, because I know I've been seeing this shirt over and over again, and I know it has been doing well. So 699 ratings. So these are the top Valentine's Day shirts. I still hearts. This one says I still hearts too. You have the Miss Pac-Man with the hearts racing away from it. They say pizza is my Valentine. You know, mostly funny day shirts. This one is a dabbing. Funny shirts rank the most and they make sales the most. Guys, please don't make shirts like this. It's obviously trademarked. Chanel is trademarked, and this one is another dabbing shirt. Then this one has some hearts. Then you have the gnome. You have cute design right here. I teach the sweeter little hearts. This one is for teachers. So you see that you can cross niche between Valentine's Day and teachers. You can also make Valentine's Day and sisters, brothers, family members in general. That being said, that was for the Valentine's Day niche. We're gonna move over to the next niche number 4, which is Black History Month. So here are the top shirts that are doing quite well on Amazon. God Says I Am then has a bunch of words in her hair: unique, forgiven, precious, special, and all the like. Then this one says, they whisper to her, you can't withstand the storm. She whispered back, I am the storm. Wow, that's powerful. That's quite motivational right there. This one too, they whispered, okay, it's like a variation of this one, and added black confident, and that's why. So it's like this one is like a combination of this and this. So you see, if you can design, this would be awesome, but if you can't, I will just directly to vectors. That's what I've been using for all the years, and when I see designs like this that are like pulling in sales, 901 ratings, 355 ratings, I take the design directly to vectors, give them the link of the design, and tell them to create something similar or better than that. So that's why I use vectors. By the way, I'm using the lifetime plan, meaning I have access to all the designs and everything, and I don't have to pay anything ever again, because I've already paid once and I never have to pay again. So all I do is I go there, pull down PSD designs, edit it, re-upload to Measure Amazon. If I want to make a design and I can't make it, I just request the design to be made and I give them the link. Like for example, if I want this to be made and it's pulling in the most sales like this, 901 ratings, price on 1997, it shows that like the design is great and it's making a lot of sales. So I will just grab the link. Let me click it and show you what I do. So I come here to the URL and I copy the URL and I send it to Vexels. If you want to know the exact steps I take to request designs, let me know in the comment section below. But let's go back to what we're talking about. So here are the top niches. Black History Month. This one says I am black every month, but this month I am black. That's quite funny. Then you have all these leaders' names in it. Quite thin, but it's doing well too. So moving to the last niche of the day is 100 days of school. That's the last niche, and this one here quite stood out to me, because if you notice the first 3 shirts, only one of them is different, and by different I mean in terms of the design. This one doesn't have 100 in it. This one's have 100 and 100. this one really stood out to me because it's different and it has the rainbow colors in it. This one has rainbow, but this one stood out more. So yeah, if you're the math lover, you have to calculate this and it equals 100. So it's the same as 100 days of school. So this seems like a new product because I haven't seen this design before. And this one, I've been seeing these ones and these ones. These are the top designs that I've been seeing over and over again. And one thing that you notice is that the designs are also bold. So that's what you should be doing. Bold, colorful, unique, all of them combined on a dark shirt. But if you can make shirts that are catering to the lighter colors or lighter designs, that would be awesome because most of these shirts are dark colored shirts. But I've noticed that people always make designs for dark color shirts and leave out the lighter color shirts or white color shirts. So if you can make a design that is basically for lighter color shirts, that will be you standing out from the crowd because everyone basically is making designs for dark shirts. So that's just a tip there. So you have these other ones, 100 days and still popping, 100 days of schools and still popping it. So they're all good designs and all of them are selling quite well. So what we're going to do right now is to look at the deleted designs, and I'm using Flying Research for this. So Flying Research, this is another tool that I like to use for print and KDP. So they have this new feature here. It's called deleted. It's new, as you can see. Even the real-time research is new, but we're going to focus on the deleted designs. So I just clicked on it and it brought me to this remove designs. So if you want to search for a particular remove design, like for example Trump or a niche in particular, let's start with Trump. You see all Trump deleted designs and when it was removed. So all these ones like this it was removed on January 1st. If you scroll down again, oh, this one's removed on January 1st. So if you want to check, for example, in niche, let's try Valentine's Day and see if anything was removed for Valentine's Day. I highly doubt it because Valentine's Day is not trademark, but Trump is trademark. So I really doubt that I'll see anything released removed for Valentine's Day. So as it is right now, nothing has been removed. So if you want to do a particular search, you can come to the advanced options and search maybe for a marketplace and a product. And you can sort it out by BSR, but I just normally leave it like this at the BSR, and the marketplaces I leave it on all to see all the deleted designs. Then the product I just normally leave it on t-shirt. Maybe I've never done deleted designs for KDP. Anyway, that will be for the KDP video. Since I'm doing print on demand, I'll just stick to the t-shirt and I'll click search, and we have this bunch of deleted designs right here. Class of 2034, US veterans. I don't even know what this is. Beer. Or it's a German shirt. So yeah, you have this. I ask a lot of questions, or I ask a lot of questions. Fifth grade squad. Maybe I think it's the keywords that are causing these designs to be removed. Maybe you have trademark keywords. I'm hoping that the person who uploaded this is not a this is quite funny. I'm just hoping that the person who uploaded this is not a design thief. People who steal designs and upload it. Because anyway, let's not judge there, or let me not judge. But these are the deleted designs. I just want to drink coffee and watch favorite K drama Opa. I don't even know what that means. So I'm just gonna do a quick scroll for you. You have the main tweets, obviously Trump designs, main tweets soon in 2024. I think I saw something on the news about him not too long ago. So I'm guessing that's why people are uploading Trump designs again. Anyway, he himself, he's a niche on its own, like a very huge niche, because most of the times he will just do something and that's going to be trending and people are going to be purchasing his shirts. But his name is trademark, so I'll really tell you to be careful with this niche and recommend that you go for the other niches. that are safe. So the design deleted, like this is just for January 1st, guys. And there's so many designs that have been deleted. So I really recommend that you be careful with the designs that you're making, and also the keywords. Actually, the keywords is one of the things that get your designs deleted or removed, because the keywords, you have to make sure that all the keywords you're using on your title, description, and the individual bullet points are safe. So what I do is I've made a template of words for my description. I don't change it for all the descriptions that I've uploaded. That my description is the same for all the designs that I upload. It's just the title that I change and the keywords that I change. So that is also included in the course. If you're interested in it, it's in the link. There's a link in the description below. So guys, if you want to check out these deleted designs for Flying Research, the link to Flying Research is also in the description below, and you can use the code MoneyAlign20 for a 20% discount. This list is endless, guys, so I can't keep on scrolling forever. I will just have to end the video here. That's basically it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about Print on Demand and KDP, there's a channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.